Hello and welcome back to Get Coded, and today is our class 7 on C programming. So in today's class we are going to learn about how to find out if a number is prime or composite, and further we are going to find out the largest number which the user has entered. Okay, so about this I will tell you further. Let's just concentrate on our first aim, that is finding a number is prime or composite. So before we move forward, this is the basic structure of our program. We need to keep in mind two concepts. First of all, one is neither a prime number nor a composite number, and secondly, a prime number is a number which is divisible by 1 and itself. Okay, is a prime number. So here we are going to do a condition, that is it is going to be a for loop. So before that, this basic thing you must be knowing by my previous classes. So here I have declared I. So I is going to be 2 in this case. The starting point is going to be 2, because if I is equals to 1, that will come later. That means inside this for loop we are going to run if the prime or composite logic. Okay, and outside this for loop I am going to give the condition, like if n is equals to 1, then it is neither a prime nor composite. So here comes 1 is gone. Okay, so next number comes is 2. So this loop is going to run till the number I is less than equals to n minus 1. So why n minus 1 I am taking is that to know if the number is divisible. If the number is divisible by the numbers below it, it is not a prime number. And along with the I is equals to 1, I am going to put one more condition, is that if I, because after incrementing the I value will be equals to the n value. So if I is equals to n, then it is a prime number. And here at every step we are going to increment by 1. I plus plus means once increment. So here we are inside this for loop. So let's just give our condition, like if n modulus I, if this answer gives us 0, then it is not a prime number, obviously. And what I is going to do is that I is going to repeat every number, like 2, 3, 4 till the value of n minus 1 is reached. Okay, so here is not prime. Otherwise we can write here composite number. So this is my if condition here, and after this, once it is divisible by I don't want it to run more. So here I will use this break statement and semicolon, and I am out of the loop. If this runs till n minus 1 and it has not got a single value, then also it will come out of the loop, and first thing it will encounter is that n double equals to 1. If our number is equals to 1, then I want to print that it is neither prime nor composite. Then comes the semicolon, and then our next if statement, and if this is also false, then it will encounter if I is equals to n. Then this loop should be run, and here comes our printf statement saying number is prime. Let's save it and build and run. We see we got no errors, and here it asks us a dialog box asking a number. Let's take 5, which is a prime number. It gave us prime. So let's check for composite number. So let's see 26, it is a composite number. Let's check what happens when 1. So when I enter 1, neither prime nor composite. Okay. So now let's move forward with writing the code for the largest number amongst 3 numbers. Obviously we are going to ask the user for a number. For basically 3 numbers we are going to ask the user. Those 3 numbers would be entered simultaneously. So enter 3 numbers. So since these numbers are going to be entered simultaneously, we need 3 variables, let's say A, B and C. We don't need I, because we are not going to run a loop. Okay, so this is our program, and here comes next percentage d for another variable, and next percentage d. First number is going to be saved in A, second in B, and third in C. Okay, so this is our skeleton. Now comes our if condition. So first thing first is that we are going to compare the first value entered by the user with the second value. Since if you all have watched my Python class 4 where we did the same program, so the logic is going to be same, just the syntax is different here. Okay, so here we are going to compare A with B and two variables simultaneously, A with C. So if A is greater than B and A is greater than C, then A has to be the greatest. So printf, we want the number to be displayed. Okay, so first we will write the greatest number is and then space and then percentage d, comma, the number to be displayed is A, and then comes our semicolon. Okay, so the A value will go in this percentage d. There it's okay even if you don't write the braces. Here comes our else if. There in Python it was elif. Here it is else if. Since we checked A is greater than B, and if this statement is false, it will come here. So obviously B is going to be greater than A, so there is no need to compare B with A, we will directly compare B with C. Else if B greater than C, then we want to print number, the greatest number is, and then we want B to be there. Okay, so here we go, and comes the semicolon, otherwise else we are going to print if C is the greatest. Okay, I hope you got the logic behind this program. And comes the semicolon. That's it. This simple was our program. So our next thing is going to be the return. We will save it and build and run. No errors we got. Enter three numbers. First I will enter the greatest number first. So 65, then 52, then 12. So we should get 65. Next we will do is the middle number should be greater, so 56 space 78 space 32. 78 is the greatest. Next our third number should be the greatest, so let's just enter 52, 64 and 99, and our 99 is the greatest. Thanks a lot for watching my video, and I hope you like this. Do let me know down below in the comments, and do like, share and subscribe to my video.